To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. You are most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today I am taking the reported speech. In the reported speech, especially imperative sentences. Let's know in imperative sentences, there will be request, suggestion, order, and any type of appreciation, any type of proposal. Let's take one by one all the sentences. First, I am taking the sentence where there is request. The student said to the teacher, "Please mark me present." Actually, here there is use of please. It means this is request. The student requested the teacher to mark him present. These imperative sentences are connected by to. TO2 means the reporting verb part is connected to the reported speech by to. Next, there is order. The teacher said to the peon, "Bring a glass of water." Here, the teacher is ordering the peon. The teacher ordered the peon to bring a glass of water. Means ordered. In first sentence there was request. He is requested. In second there is order, then ordered. Next one, there is advice. I said to my son, "Go for a walk daily in the morning." I advised my son to go for a walk in the morning. This is advice. I said to my friend, "Don't take liquor in future." I advised my friend, where there is a don't, we bring not to take liquor in future. There may be suggestion. Ram said to his friend, "Walk carefully." Ram suggested his friend to walk carefully. It means I have taken your request, order, advice, suggestion, and there will be requested, ordered, advised, suggested. There are certain sentences in imperative mode where there is use of let, let. He said, "Let me go." Where there is let before me, him, her, means leaving us, then we have to bring asked. He asked to let him go. If there is let us, in the cases of let us, the reporting verb will be proposed and the reported speech will be connected by that. and there will be use of should in the reported speech. For example, the captain said to the players, "Let us go to play in the playground." The captain proposed the players that they should go to play in the playground. Again, I am taking second example. I said to my friend, "Let's try our best." Actually, if there is out of subject and object in the reporting verb part, one of them is first person. As I said to my friend, I is first person. Then there will be that we should. And he said to me, "Let us that we should." If there is no first person, then there will be that they should. If there is first person, that may be the subject, that may be the object, then there will be that we should. Again, I am taking the example. I said to my friend, "Let's try our best." I proposed my friend that we should try our best. He said to his friend, "Let's try our best." He proposed his friend that they should try their best. They should try the best. Like this is your imperative sentence, where there is request, order, advice, suggestion, and if there is the reported speech beginning with let. As I have taken all these sentences in imperative mode, I think you have understood. Must keep all these things in your mind. Thank you very much.